everyone, my name is Kirsty and today I'm going to show you how to heat emboss. So here's what we'll need. Some paper, of course. We'll also need some embossing powder. We'll also need a stamp pad if that's how you want to emboss. Otherwise, an embossing pen will be perfect. Some stamps, of course, if that's what you want to do. And we'll also need a heat gun. Over here I've got the Kuretake embossing heat tool. Now let's get started. So my pen has got a fine tip and a broad tip end, and it's really up to you which one you want to use. It depends on what you want to write or what you want to draw. I'm making a little happy birthday card, so I've written that down, how I want to, and then I'm going to pour the powder over it. Really making sure to be very generous and covering all the parts that I've written down. And don't worry, because we can reuse and recycle all the excess. So wherever it hasn't adhered to, it hasn't stuck to the words properly, you can just pour some extra powder over. It doesn't go to waste because we'll be putting this back in the bottle. Now we're going to grab our heat tool, turn it on, and very slowly in sort of circular motions heat this up. And you can see that it starts getting shinier as it heats up and sort of melts and becomes all embossed. Isn't that pretty? That's a homemade happy birthday card. So that's one way of doing it. Another way is using a stamp pad. Now this really depends on what you want to do. Maybe if you're not great at drawing or if you don't want to write, you can grab some stamps that have letters on or some designs on, and you can use that. My stamps here aren't great, to be honest, because they're very small, so you can't really see the designs very clearly, but I'll just use this here as an example for now. And we can always come back and do another video with better stamps and better designs, right? So I've written down stamps there as well, just so we can make a point. So I've done the same as I did before, poured the embossing powder over the stamped areas, and then I'm heating up with my heat tool. Now, I want to show you something else. So I'm using a combination of the silver and the copper, sort of rose gold colored embossing powder. And if you do this in stages like I'm showing you here, you can use different colors if you wanted to. If you make a mistake, it's really easy to just go back and use your embossing pen. You can also use a little brush to just make things, neater. Brush away any excess powder so that your design is just, a little better, a little cleaner. So that's it. That's all you need to emboss. Of course, once we're all done, it's time to pack up. If you have any questions, do drop them below. And if there's anything else you'd like to see, do let me know and I'll do my best to make a video and help you out with that. Again, this is Kirsty. Thanks for watching. Please do hit that like button if this is something that you enjoyed, so I know that this is something you'd like to see more of. Thanks very much. Have a good day. Bye.